In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
Here we are at booth 2663. We're over at Rosco Manufacturing and with Jacob Brightman, who's going to give us a little bit of a rundown because Tyler Flood asked us to be here and we wanted to make sure to take the opportunity. Jacob, tell us a little bit about the company and what you guys make.
So here at Rosco, we make AR platform barrels for the most part. We make everything in-house. We start with pretty much a 20-foot rod. We cut it down. We do everything from profile. We make our own extensions. We keep everything in-house so that we can make the best essential product and we can control every facet of its tolerance. We're starting to move into accessories. We do brand accessories as well. We just released a set of receivers and handguards. We're trying to make the best barrels out there. We do OEM for a lot of other companies, so a lot of companies are buying the stuff that we produce, and you just don't know yet.
Right, so these are mostly just AR barrels, is all you make for the AR platform?
Yep, we will be coming out with a Glock barrel relatively soon, but that's in the future.
Right, and you do the AR barrels for SBRs, pistols, and rifles?
Yep, we have everything going from a 5.5-inch 9mm all the way up to a 20-inch 223 Wild, 20-inch 224 Valkyrie. We just finally worked the kinks out of that one.
Right, we do fluted barrels and
we don't typically do any fluting or anything. We can to customer specification if they want for an OEM, but typically we like to stick with our medium, heavy, or lightweight profile barrels.
Excellent. And I see that you guys you do have a certain amount of products that you recommend being used with what you prefer.
Yeah, we work with other companies to actually brand our own stuff so we can sell it along with it. If you're traveling on the website or something like that, you'd see everything in our Bloodline accessories, so you can get a bolt carrier group, gas block, gas tube, and we're actually releasing handguards and upper receivers as well with that.
So there's a certain familiarity you have with the products that you sell that you know that you're going to have an expected amount of performance with that combination versus playing mix and match by bringing other manufacturers in to work.
Exactly. We're only pushing the stuff that we know works, and we want it to be the best.
Excellent. Well, there you go. If you guys want to visit Rosco Manufacturing, you guys have a website you can throw at me?
Yep, www.roscomanufacturing.com. Pretty straightforward.
Right, excellent. And if you're looking to build yourself an AR, you know where you can get a barrel, because I know we have 2 builds coming up and we're in the market ourselves. All right, thanks.
Well, I think it's time we ask ourselves if we still know the freedoms that were intended for us by the founding fathers.
Senate rights, when politicians take from you and me the very